Deja borrowed $100. Deja borrowed $100 for 2 years at an interest rate of 5% per annum. How much interest will she pay? All right. 5% per annum means per year. All right. So that means she's paying 5% per year. Annum means per year. All right. If they said annually, that means year as well. All right. All right. Yeah, they said annually, that means year. All right. So remember, we know how to find, if we want to find 5% for 1 year, we want to find 5% of 100. All right. This percent sign should have been behind the five, but no big deal, right? All right. So we want to find 5% of 100. What do we do? 5% of 100. All right. We know of is already multiplication. I like to change my percentages. You can either make this a decimal or you can make this a fraction. All right. So you know I already prefer changing my percentages. 5%. I'm gonna take this, show the hidden decimal. I'm gonna go back 1, 2. All right. Well, that's 0. So my decimal is 0.05. All right. So 0.05 times 100. And that'll give me her interest rate. All right. That'll give me an interest rate for 1 year. All right. So she paid this per annum, per year. All right. So let's go 100 times 0.05. So it's going to be 5 times 0 equals 0. 5 times another 0 equals 0. And 5 times 1 equals 5. All right. I don't need to do the 0. All right. Now with this, is 500 my answer? No, it's not, right? I have, in all of this, I have two DP, and D stands for decimal, P stands for places, right? The 0, let me draw. Taking so long to pop up. Anyway, the 0, all right, there we go. The 0 right here, which is highlighted in yellow, is one decimal place. The 5 is another decimal place. All right. So that means in total, for this entire problem, we have two decimal places, which means my answer needs to have two decimal places. So I show my hidden decimal, every number of a hidden decimal to the back, and I move it over two places to the left. All right. So that means my answer is 5.00, which is just really 5, right? I can write it like this because I know if I write it like this, there's a hidden decimal there. All right. So that means this is $5. The 5% per annum, 5% per annum, right? This is equivalent to $5 per year. All right, $5 per year. And Deja borrowed $100 for 2 years at an interest rate of 5% per annum. How much interest will she pay? All right. So that means she's gonna pay $5 per year. How many years? 2 years. So that means $5 times 2, right? Or $5 each year. $5 for 1 year plus $5 for another year, which is going to equal to $10 in total. So the answer is 10, right? That's just $5 times 2 because of 2 years, which is $10. So the answer is $10.